pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
It is Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video, and if you are returning, thank you so very much for being here. You know I love you guys, my gems. So today I have the Norvina Volume 3 palette, which you probably already know is going to be in the BoxyCharm Premium Anastasia Takeover box. So I thought we would do a look and talk a little bit about this palette. Alright guys, let's get into it. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am excited. Today is my birthday, and I'm not sure if I'll be uploading this on the 3rd or not, but it is my birthday and I feel good today. So it's a happy moment. And I was thinking about the Norvina Takeover box, which I know we're all super excited about. So I wanted to do a look with one of the palettes. Now I've already done a look with Volume 1. I loved it, and I'll link that video in here for you, but I have not done a look with Volume 3 yet for you guys. So I thought it would be fun if we played with this palette today. If you guys haven't seen her, here she is. She's pretty well loved. I think the one I've used the most is Volume 1, and Volume 5 is getting there for sure. So I've got some freshly washed brushes, and I'm trying to figure out what kind of look. I thought of doing a 4th of July look, but then I was like, nah, I want to play with this palette because some of you are probably getting this palette for the first time. And if you are, would you let me know that down in the comments below? I'm just curious. And which colors you'll be using for your very first look. So I'm sitting here thinking that we're going to go in with C3 on a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. And I've got MAC Paint Pot on my eyes, but we're going to go ahead and put this in my crease and work it in. Yeah, that's pretty. It's like, I will put the colors on the screen for you, but I'm trying to describe this color or think of a way to describe it. It's not an orange, but it's got kind of like an orange undertone. It's really pretty. Hey Kayla! Alright, so we've got enough of this color in the crease so we can move on to another one. And I am thinking, let's go in with this brush right here. What kind of brush is this? It's a concealer brush, but it's by a name I can't read on here, so it's a concealer brush. I like D2 and C1 for this. Ooh, and then there's D5. Yeah. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Alright. I am going to put a little bit of setting spray because I don't want the fallout. Believe me, these colors are pigmented enough though, I'm gonna be honest. Okay. We're going to do D5. Look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty? I'm loving that. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. Now I didn't put anything on the inner corner because I kind of want to go in with this lighter one over here, C1, to really brighten it up. Let's see. And I just flipped the brush over. See how that? I like that like that. That's cute. I'm liking that a lot. Then we've got D4, which is like an orangey shimmer that looks like, wow, that is pigmented. But I don't want to do like an orange eye, because orange without me being tan really doesn't look good on me. Hi, Kayla. Okay, so I put on some liquid liner and some lashes on the top here, and then I put some black liner on the lower lash line, and now we're going to go in with a crease brush and put some setting spray on it, and we're going to dive into doing underneath the eye. Oh, it looks like I got some eyelash. Wow, why does this stuff get everywhere? This is why I wear t-shirts. This stuff gets everywhere. All right, let's go in with C3. It's going to mix with the liner, but that's what I want it to do, because it'll create a nice smoky effect. Ooh, there we go. Very pretty. I do not have, I'll get this. We'll see. Okay. Kayla has the hiccups. Okay. You can clean up with concealer if you wanted to, if you need to. And really, it's mascara on the lower lash line and then finishing up the face. I'm wondering if I should go in with C1 for the brow bone highlight. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And we'll work it down. These palettes are amazing. They're such good pigment. They blend so well. I'm loving that. Okay. So now I can do blush, contour, and all that fun stuff, and then come back and we'll talk about this palette. Okay, so I have finished up. Let's take a look at this palette. You can do pretty neutral looks with it. I mean, you've got like the browns, but they've got like an orange tint to it, and then you've got bright oranges and some like almost neon kind of colors in here. But you can definitely mix like these colors here to come up with more of a neutral look, and of course you've got plenty of shimmers to choose from in here, and the oranges are amazing. So I'll tell you what, if you are tan or darker skin tone, it's going to look excellent on you. These are $60 palettes, and I know that Boxy had them for $24 in add-ons, so I'll tell you what, you didn't have to get the premium box, but there's other products in there as well. It's all the Anastasia, because it's a takeover box. So I wanted to show you guys what Volume 3 looked like and a little bit about it. I wanted to tell you and show you and do an eye look. So this is what I came up with for that. So let me know if you are getting this palette down in the comments below, and thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm looking forward to doing more videos. I will see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye!